Okay guys, let's do this. How exactly are we supposed to destroy these engines, Scruffy? All we have is our buffers. Scruffy was about to respond when suddenly... Ah! Whoa! No, no, no! Oh, ouch! What in the world? Ow, 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 ow. Ah, sugar in my face and my eyes. Ah, it hurts so much. Don't just stand there, you idiots. Do something. Whoa, whoa, ah, da, da. Ah, da, da. Oh, oh. No, 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 watch out, watch out. Oh, whoa. Hold still, you. Look out. Oh, oh, ow, oh. Ah, that hurts, that hurts. Ouch. Yes, Thomas and the other engines watched and as Samson, Dadash, and Toby bumped and bashed the cars around. Oh! Ouch. Okay, that's it. I'm getting out of here. Oh, no you don't. Oh! The trucks collided in his truck into Scruffy and his new chat as he flew off, and his old chat as he came back to him. Fred, this is all your fault, shouted Scruffy. How is this my fault? I barely had anything to do with this. Exactly. You all should have done something to help. You all should have put up more of a fight. Oh, shut up, Scruffy, shouted Rickety.